Hello friends, welcome to the AI University. I'm Nitin and today I'm going to tell you how to update the n8n instance on Hostinger VPS. So as you can see on the left hand side, we have this bubble wherein you can see that we are 5 versions behind, right? So now, since we know that we are 5 versions behind and we need to update this n8n instance to the current version. Okay, so first go on to the Hostinger control panel. There you will see a lot of options, but the one which we are interested in is in this terminal button. So click on terminal, upon which a new screen will pop up. This is a black screen where we will be running certain commands to update the n8n instance on Hostinger VPS. So I'm pasting first command, which is docker compose pull. This command, basically what it does is it will download the latest n8n docker image. So as you can see here, it is currently downloading the latest image. It will take some time to complete. Once it completes the task, then you will run the next command, which is docker compose down. This command, what it does is it will remove the existing n8n docker. Next, we will run the next command docker compose up -d. This will deploy the newly pulled image onto the docker. Now let's come on to our n8n instance. And here you can see that we are 0 versions behind, which means that our n8n instance has been updated, or our n8n on Hostinger VPS is updated and we are on the current version now. Now, if you want all these commands or instructions, then you can just head over to the description section of this video, where you can just copy paste these commands and update your n8n instance on Hostinger VPS. So this is how we update the n8n on Hostinger VPS. This was a very quick step-by-step guide, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit that like button and enable the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates on the videos I release on n8n. Thank you for now.